Maligayang pagbabalik sa Pinoy Turo kung saan matututo ka ng mabilis, malinaw at wala nang pasikot-sikot. At para sa video natin ngayong araw, ang ating topic ay tungkol sa difference ng much and many. Paano ba sila nagkaiba? Pero bago ang lahat, huwag natin kalimutan ng mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Nang sa ganon ay lagi kang maging updated sa mga bagong upload na lessons. Magsimula na tayo. Much and many. You can't count much, but you can count many. Much and many sound very similar, and they both mean large amounts, but their uses are different in a sentence. Bago tayo magsimula, sabi nga dito, unahin natin to. You can't count much, but you can't count many. Mamaya malalaman natin kung para saan ba yan. So tandaan lang natin to ha. You can't count much, but you can count many. Well, to start with, maybe for most of you, sa tingin nyo, na pag sinabi nating much and many, parang tunog parehas lang eh. Yeah, well, generally, parehas sila na ibig sabihin ay large amount. But may malaki silang pagkakaiba na dapat maging aware tayo. Okay? Remember, the English language can be confusing sometimes, especially when it comes to quantities and volumes of nouns. Not only can words have different meanings depending on how they are used, but some nouns can be counted while others can't. Countable and uncountable nouns are going to use different adjectives. In English, may mga pagkakataon na very confusing para sa ilan ang mga nouns, no? Especially if we're dealing with different quantities and volume ng nouns. Hindi enough na alam lang natin yung kung singular ba or plural ang isang noun o yung singular and plural forms nila. Okay? There are instances na hindi lang tayo dapat mag-base sa meaning ng nouns din. We should also consider and be fully aware kung countable ba ang isang noun o uncountable. Okay? Short review lang. Pag sinabi nating countable nouns, ano ibig sabihin nun? So, pag sinabi nating ang noun ay countable, okay, ibig sabihin, nabibilang. So, yung pangalan o yung noun ay kaya nating bilangin o pwede nating bilangin ng isa-isa. So we have in English, in English, we have examples like the words pen. Also, we have tree. Yan. What else? We have spoon. Yan. Book. Chair. Table. Usually, yung mga nouns na daragdagan mo lang ng S, yung merong mga plural forms. Ayan. So, para mas madali siya. Yun yung mga countable nouns. So, from the name itself, countable, pwedeng bilangin. Diba? Whilst pag sinabi naman nating uncountable, review lang to ha, yung mga hindi nabibilang or yung mahirap bilangin or imposibleng mabilang ng isa-isa. Examples, yung mga liquid in form like water, yan, oil, milk, or yung by grains or by granules like sugar, rice, right? Alright, salt, yan yung mga tinatawag nating uncountable nouns. Pati din yung words like honesty and cleanliness, yan. Example din siya ng uncountable noun. Okay? Remember that for countable and uncountable nouns, gumagamit tayo ng iba't ibang adjectives. Maliwanag tayo doon. So, separate, hindi tinatanggap lang basta-basta na for both countable and uncountable yung mga adjectives na gagamitin natin. Again, adjectives yung mga descriptive words. So, pag magkaibang klase ng noun, ibang mga type ng adjectives ang gagamitin natin to describe them. Tuloy tayo. When much or many are used, it's to describe a large quantity of a noun. For example, The sky has many shades of orange, but there is still too much blue. Many describes the countable noun. Much describes the non-countable noun. Alright? In general, ang many ay ginagamit to describe yung quantity ng mga countable noun o yung mga nabibilang para sa many. At yung mga non-countable nouns naman, ang ginagamit natin doon ay yung much. Ang point lang natin dito, dapat mong tandaan, ang many ay for countable nouns and ang much ay para sa mga uncountable nouns or non-countable nouns. Maliwanag sana tayo doon. Again, use much with uncountable nouns. Pag sinabi nating uncountable nouns, yung mga di nabibilang. So, study the examples here. That was too much food. Did you need that much milk? There is too much sunlight. Don't bring much luggage. There isn't much oxygen. I don't have much money. And there isn't much time. Okay. So kung papansin nyo, yung mga nouns after ng word na much, like food, pansinin natin yung much. Bilugan naman natin yung much. Yan. I-underline natin yung mga nouns na kasunod nito. And yung mga nouns na yun ay examples ng uncountable nouns o yung mga hindi nabibilang, like food. In this case kasi, pag sinabi natin too much food, we refer to different kinds of food. Ayan. Then milk, liquid, sunlight, okay, luggage, oxygen, yeah. Money is considered uncountable noun, and time also. Okay, so much plus uncountable noun. Next, we use many with countable nouns. Again, many for countable nouns. So we have here the examples. There are many cats in the yard. Have you ever seen so many puppies? Don't you think that's too many trees? How many plates should we put out? I eat so many snacks in a day. There were many pharaohs in Egypt. There was a child seat in many cars. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. So, ang kasunod ng many ay usually or dapat rather countable nouns like cats. Yan, countable yan. Dito, ang kasunod ng many ay puppies. We have dito naman trees. Gaya ng halimbawa ko kanina. Dito naman plates. Here snacks. Dito naman pharaohs. And dito naman cars. Okay? So, ginagamit natin ang many kapag ang kasunod na noun ay countable. So, yun lang naman ang dapat nating tandaan doon. So, para hindi tayo malito. Remember, you can't count much, but you can count many. So, dapat tandaan mo, pag hindi mo nabibilang, gagamitan mo ng much. Pag nabibilang mo, gagamitan mo ng many. So, yun lang tatandaan mo. You can count much, but you can count many. Or, you can also link you, the letter U, in much as uncountable. Tandaan mo na lang, di ba? Ang spelling ng much ay M-U-C-H. So, yung U dun, ibig sabihin nun uncountable. Ibig sabihin, ang much ay for uncountable nouns. So, yun lamang. Sana may natutuhan tayo.